Hey guys, Dan here with Cinnamon Bear Outdoors. Winter's on its way, so we got to get the camper ready for winter. Stick around and I'll show you guys how I do it. So one thing you always want to check before you pull the plug out on your water heater is to make sure there's no pressure on it. Just pull the plug, simply drain the water. You can also pop this valve open to let it drain faster. And usually just replace the plug back in here, close her back up. A lot of water heaters have an anode in there. This style of water heater doesn't, so be sure to hang on to that anode if it's still usable, or replace it if you need a new one. So once you guys have located the water pump, if it's an easy place to get access to, this is going to go easy for you. Last camper that I had, we actually had troubles getting to the water pump, having to buy like 10 of those things and putting them into the water so that we could run it through the pump. But if you have easy access to your pump like this, and mine's actually got these nifty little quick connects, you just pull that out off of the suction hose, piece of garden hose, and that'll go into the antifreeze and it'll suck it right out of the jug. I've got my garden hose with my quick connect back to my pump on the suction side, and then the hose, I'm just going to stick it right on in there. Turn the water pump on, and it's sucking that stuff right on down. Now it's just a matter of turning on your water and waiting for it to go pink. Don't forget the outdoor shower. So now we're down to our last gallon, just to fill that feed trap in every drain. So with 3 gallons, we got the camper winterized. Change that hose back out, hook the pump back up, and she'll be ready for bed.